Do you ever wonder how important it is for you as a construction project owner to choose the right project management software? Well, today we're going to cover that and a whole lot more. Oftentimes in construction, we look at our project management software as being specifically for the general contractor. But do you as an owner know how important these tools actually are to you and your workflows? Owners, you're going to want to stick around because today we're going to talk about what to look for in your construction project management solutions. Hi, I'm Brian Popis, former virtual design and construction engineer, and now a customer success manager here at Autodesk. When you're an owner, choosing the right tool means that you're going to have transparency and access to the information that you need to analyze your project progress and to make better decisions for your company and your projects going forward. As an owner, you know that collaboration, coordination, and efficiency all continue to grow in demand as the evolution of construction projects continues to move forward. Prior to my time at Autodesk, I spent 7 years at one of the largest general contractors in Metro Detroit, working as a VDC engineer on multi-billion-dollar automotive projects. I have a lot of experience working directly with client representatives and owners representatives on a wide variety of construction projects. You as the project management team working for an owner's representative know that you are not necessarily the recipient for the end of the project, and it may need to be turned over to a facilities management team after the construction life cycle. In situations like this, transparency and collaboration are absolutely key because production might be starting right after the project is completed. This is yet again another great example about why it is so important for you as an owner to pick the right project management system. As an owner, you know that you manage a great deal of processes on your project, including site safety management, quality management, commissioning, closeout, and turnover. Across all of these workflows, there are a great deal of common pitfalls that if you address with the correct project management system, you will save time, money, increase your quality, and reduce rework on your projects. Some of these pitfalls include siloed communication systems, lack of access to the project schedule, inefficient asset tracking systems, and a lack of transparency when addressing project discrepancies. The right project management system will help you overcome all of these hurdles. And it'll also help you centralize your project management system, all of your documentation, and manage all of your key processes throughout the project lifecycle. Fortunately, Autodesk Construction Cloud does this and a whole lot more. For example, Autodesk Docs acts as the hub and core of our system and allows you to manage your processes from a single source of truth. This means that there will be no missed context with all of your team's eyes on the same information, allowing you and your team to avoid costly mistakes throughout your project. By using the schedule module, the days are over of having to use specialized schedule software just to view your project schedule, and you don't have to flip through 30 to 40 pages of 11x17 paper just to know where you're at. You can easily share your project schedule with properly permissioned team members and also link the project schedule to other modules within Autodesk Construction Cloud. This can include linking submittals to your project schedule, linking RFIs to your BIM coordination schedule, and also many other opportunities to economize on connections within the Autodesk Construction Cloud. Speaking of the project schedule and data silos, by leveraging the Assets tool, you as owners can easily oversee the installation of equipment on your project throughout construction and operations post-project lifecycle. Anything from related submittals, safety inspections, and power-on days can be tracked on an asset in this simple yet robust module. And just like within the schedule module, there's plenty of opportunities to reference other information, including warranties, ONA manuals, and other commissioning information that allows you to have a comprehensive overview of the tracking of all this equipment throughout the project lifecycle. These features are particularly near and dear to my heart, having worked on the tail end of so many large automotive projects. Lastly, with Autodesk, your punch lists and your work to complete lists are going to be so much easier because you don't have to scroll through endless sheets and documentation and use 1,000 different Excel spreadsheets. By leveraging the Issues module, your team can oversee all the items that need to be completed in your punch list, review the status on each item, and collaborate as needed to get things done. Additionally, you can pin these items right to your drawing to make sure that your field teams know exactly where an issue is on the project. Through reporting for assets, forms, and your project issues, you can easily see how close your team is to completing an area for beneficial occupancy. I hope the message is clear. Autodesk Construction Cloud is a tool that's not just for general contractors. It's for all people on a construction project, including you. Don't continue to use legacy systems that make you feel like you're in the dark. Thanks again for joining us for another episode of Tech Tips. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions about how Autodesk Construction Cloud can set you and your teams up for project success.